In today's video, I'm going to show you how I restored this nearly 200-year-old cherry chest of drawers. This chest was in such poor condition when we received it that it was actually given to us for free. One of the columns in the front was falling off, the back of the piece was falling off, the drawers had pieces that were crumbling when you opened the drawers. Oh, it was a mess. First thing we did, and I of course forgot to film it, was do all the repairs. We secured the column in the front that was loose, and we put the back on and secured that as well. So next steps are coming up, so enjoy the video. Okay, so before we show you the final reveal, let's take a look back at where we started. It was very important to me to keep this true to the piece, so I wanted to do a color that was very similar to what it originally had, but still a little more modern. And then I also didn't fix all of the small flaws that are in it. This piece is very old, and each little scratch and dent are part of its history, so I had to keep them. Let me know in the comments if you loved it, if you hated it, if you would have done something completely different. You're not going to hurt my feelings a bit. I love to hear from y'all. If you would like more information on the products I used, make sure you check out the description. I've included a list of the products as well as links where you can find them. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to tune in next week when I show you my next flip.